So we've already folded and got all our circles ready. So what I'm going to do now, and I'm going to do this with some tacky glue. You can use your tape runners as well if you like. You can use whatever you like. I'm just using my glue for this because it's quite quick. So the idea is, you've got two ways of doing it. You can either do it like this and then fold it. So you could fold it like that and then fold it back that way. Or you can fold them all first and then glue them. So there's two ways of doing it. So what we'll do, we'll just fold a few up. I've already cut them all out. I think I've cut about maybe 14, 16, but you can do as many as you like. What we do need to remember as well, we have a little piece of cord or thread so that we can actually pop that on the inside.
Yeah.
And then that will hold it up. So you can fold as many as you want. I mean, this is a great way of getting your families involved. You know, you can all sit around the fire in the evening.
I love that idea.
And you know, start to make the baubles. It'd be really, really nice. And then when you've done like quite a lot, you could hang them on a string, make like a garland. So again, lots of ways of doing it. So I'm going to put 4 together, and then I'm going to add my twine in there, just so we know that that's in. Because there's nothing more frustrating than making a bauble and then forgetting to put the twine in. So
yeah.
And
I love that idea as well of having everyone doing a bit of crafting, because I always think, you know, family afternoons, not just at Christmas time, but you think of like playing board games and that kind of thing, don't you? But why not get everyone around crafting? I absolutely love that idea.
Definitely. I mean, you could even do it like on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or Boxing Day, and then put them away for next year, so that you know that next year comes, you've got like a new set. So again, it's a really nice way of doing things, doing a family thing. You know, if you're stuck in and it's been snowing and you can't go out, it's a nice little thing to do.
Yeah.
The other lovely thing as well, you can see immediately just with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles how full it starts to be.
Absolutely.
So I think if you're going to put, what we'll do, we'll put another one on there, and then we'll glue this bit. We'll put another one on there, and then what we can do is we can put our twine in then. So we'll pop that one onto there, like that. And if you've got the Opulence pad, why not use different papers? So use different circles and mix them all up. You know, that would be really, really nice as well. So you can see we've got half. Another little thing you can do as well, I'll tell you why I'm gluing this in, is you could actually add some glitter around the edges. So once you've got all your circles done, you could actually then go around the edge with your glue and just dip it into a pot of glitter.
Oh yeah.
Another thing you could do as well is, if you're wanting to store them for next year, is actually leave the last section open so that you can put maybe a Velcro dot or a little magnet or something, so that they will then fold flat until next year. So again, there's lots of ways of doing it, you know, but this is just so easy, and quick as well.
It looks very therapeutic as well.
It is actually, it's really therapeutic, yeah. We'll just pop a couple more in there, and then we can see just how nice it is. And when you push it and spin it, it's really nice to watch it spin back on itself. Yeah. Because especially if you've got Christmas lights up and things, you can see just how it's going to pick up the light, especially if you're using the Opulence. I think what I'll do now, I'll just close those up together. But again, you can put more in. You could even put a cord all the way through and hang some beads on. So there's lots of different ways of doing it. But I think because the Opulence Paper Pad is just one on its own, it would be great for making bags, boxes and decorations from, because obviously it's not something that we're going to put on a card as a layer and cover it up. But there you can see how simple that is. Oh gosh, my string just came out there. Oh. But anyway, that's okay, as long as it needs to bond a little bit more. But we can still hang it like that, spin it round, and then when it gets to the end, it spins back on its own. Really nice, really simple. Get a spotlight on it. Perfect.